1 Thessalonians 1:10, and to wait for his Son from heaven, whom he raised from the dead, even Jesus, which delivered us from the wrath to come. And remember, and to wait here, that's referring to the rapture. It's pretty cool. I read that same verse in the NIV. And to wait for his Son from heaven, whom he raised from the dead, Jesus, who rescues us from the coming wrath. To wait signifies waiting with expectation, looking ahead in faith to the fulfillment of Christ's promises to return to the saints. Wrath to come refers to the time of the Great Tribulation, spoken of by Christ, Matthew 24:21, from which the saints of the church will be delivered. So think of how powerful this is. It's saying, and to wait for his Son from heaven, whom he raised from the dead, even Jesus, which delivered us from wrath to come. So we are supposed to be doing the same thing that Paul was doing in Thessalonica and Silvanus and Timotheus, spreading the word of God, letting people see how we're living by example. And we're doing this while we are waiting for his return, just like we're doing today. Even in the end of that verse 9, it says, and how he turned to God from idols to serve the living and true God. So when we receive, the blood atonement, we receive us believing in God, we turn away from that past life. Like I always say, it doesn't mean it's going to be easy though. But knowing that we're doing all this, waiting for the Son, waiting for the rapture, waiting to go to heaven, is pretty sobering to think of.